Hello.
We're watching VMAs.
Yeah.
Got back from Kings Island,
3 hours ago.
yeah.
It was amazing. I'm eating donuts.
So much.
I went to Kings Island 3 years. 3 years. 3 times this year. I almost said 3 years this time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
Justin Timberlake.
Let your fingers.
That's what Brett does. He goes,
I think it's okay.
alright, Matthew.
Hi. I've been on here for 48 seconds. Whoa.
Ha-ha. You said ha-ha.
And I'm taking pic with Britt. Oh, hey. She's
talking to Charlie.
She's talking to my biggest crush in the entire world. Other than Niall Horan. And you know, I'm like,
Justin Timberlake is like my old
even though
crush.
I'm like way out of his league. He's way too good for me.
Justin Timberlake is like my old guy crush. He's not really old, but he's like
Older than us.
Yeah, like way older than us. Like not teenage boy wise, but like old guy wise, like man wise. Justin Timberlake is my man crush.
Oops. I should have said that in my head.
Message.
My crush.
Why is it summer?
Look at her boobies. She got sunburned.
Like really bad.
I didn't. I'm good.
We're like twins. Well, we are twins, but you know. Like this, like our word, so. And she does not get sunburned, like ever, except for her face.
I hit on my face, and I like never get sunburned anywhere else.
And the only place on my body is my cheeks, my chest. Yeps. He said yeps. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Ooh, I always say that. He got that from me.
This is my song. It was sexy that.
Oh, yeah. I'm afraid there was like underwear somewhere. What is that? Oh, it's a blanket. Good some directions back. And then Niall. And the big giant Niall pushing me. She growls a lot. So what's 1, 2, 3. I bet I look really stupid right now.
Okay, see yourself right there.
No, I do. It. Not even better. I'm done. I took my tooth.
I hate when you get your braces.
We met some awesome dude named
Oh my
Dalton.
god.
He had amazing eyes.